Alright, the infamous FR7. We're out here today. I have no idea where this is going to shoot. So again, in killing two birds with one stone, what we're going to use is some of this Ingman ammo. And oh my god, it says 308 Win on the box. But looking at this looks like a standard military ball round. They do make ammo that says, 7.62 by 55 NATO. I doubt that this, what I'll do is I'll fire some of this, record it on our wonderful radar machine here, which starts working again. And like I said, even though there are all kinds of people that say shooting this full-powered ammo is not good and shouldn't do it, believe what you wish. It's your life. One guy gave me a comment saying that there was a 40-year-old test and he's not going to risk life and limb on 40-year-old. And I can see his point. If that's the way you feel. But I have no issues. And what we're also doing is running this down because I do have some of my reloads. I want to make sure this thing is constantly functioning. And then I'm going to test another older gun in a different caliber. But for now, let's get over here. See if our little radar machine works. Give this old FR7 a try. Got some recoil to it. I don't know, that should extract. I wasn't paying attention. I may have been shooting this too fast. I'll put another one down there. Not quite kicking them out. The extractor's there, or ejector. Alright, I'm going to go down and see where they're hitting. Maybe sight adjustment time. May not do it today, I'm pressed for time. And maybe next week it's a project. But I'm going to go down. Alright, this gun seems to be shooting pretty much right on the money. I'm going to do another 5 and take my time. I know I'm somewhat on. And it isn't shooting way high, and this is at 50 yards. And my little radar buddy here is working. So this is good. I don't want to snap the bolt back and hit this thing. So let's see what we get. This gun, somebody said which one you like. This gun is, with the stock, is narrower. This gun is lighter, more wispy, and I think it also recoils because the stock's a bit heavier on the FR8, not as thin as this one. That'd be nice if I really ain't got to make no adjustments to this. That means whoever owned this probably sighted it in himself. Action works smooth enough. Alrighty. So we're going to call that string 8. String 9. Okay, we're going to run our other rifle. A little short, I have to steal something from the box. Alright, let's go down, look at the targets real quick, and then we'll wrap this one up. Okay, at 50 yards, I cannot complain. That looks like about 2 inches off the center. Now that could be the ammo. You can change the ammo and the point of impact may change. But that's that ammo, and that's a fairly damn good group. That gun shoots pretty well. So I ain't going to complain about that. The 2 over there might have been 2 that I just was trying to wiggle in, and I took my time and sighted it in, but pretty damn good group. Alright, we'll wrap this video up here. FR7, the rifle of controversy. And these older actions handle 308. Other than the fact this is a bit thinner stock, lighter, it does recoil a little bit harder than a FR8. But as you see with these barrels fitted on there, this thing shoots fairly accurately. Okay, so they're still a good gun. I mean, I know people had issues about it, but me, I see no problem. It's a nice addition to the collection, and it fits into my timeline of these different guns. Alright, we're going to do more with it. Take it out and shoot it, try some reloads. Maybe we will make some reduced loads for those of you who are safety minded. And we'll do some more videos with this. Alright, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.